How to monetize your WhatsApp channel. You can use your WhatsApp channel to showcase and sell your products or services and provide customer support. For example, if you have an online store or a small business, you can send product catalogs, accept orders, and answer queries through WhatsApp. You can promote products or services from other companies or platforms and earn a commission for each sale generated through your referral links. For example, if you have a channel related to fashion or beauty, you can share links to products from Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, etc., and earn a percentage of the revenue. You can host online workshops, classes, or training sessions on topics you are knowledgeable or skilled in, and charge attendees for access. For example, if you have a channel related to cooking, baking, painting, yoga, photography, etc., you can offer online courses or tutorials and earn money from your expertise. You can offer premium or exclusive content to your subscribers for a recurring fee. This could include access to valuable information, newsletters, tutorials, or entertainment content. For example, if you have a channel related to sports, news, education, etc., you can provide in-depth analysis, insights, tips, or updates that are not available elsewhere. You can offer and provide one-on-one consulting or coaching sessions to your clients through WhatsApp and charge them for your time and advice. For example, if you have a channel related to fitness, finance, marketing, etc., you can provide personalized guidance, solutions, or strategies to your clients. You can create and sell digital products, such as ebooks, guides, templates, or online courses, and promote them through your WhatsApp channel. For example, if you have a channel related to travel, health, lifestyle, etc., you can create and sell useful resources or products that can help your audience. 1. Short links. 2. Affiliate links. 3. Marketing your business or expertise. 4. Register as a WhatsApp marketeer for business. 5. Pay per download. 6. Redirect traffic to websites or blogs. 7. App referrals. 8. Sell WhatsApp sticker. 9. Job referrals. 10. Cross promotion.